Hello everyone, this is Tim. I needed to do a really quick video here. I'm going to do what I can right now. I'm going to be out for almost 2 weeks. So I wanted to get this last one out while I can. I'm waiting for some new equipment to come in and lighting and stuff. So that'll make everything better. So today I'm just going to do a little playing around with this 12 by 12 ceramic tile. This is just white base here that I had left over. I want to get that on there real quick and I'll show you my colors. This is all leftover stuff that I have. So let's see. I'm going to mess with a blow dryer and the paint. See what I can get going here. A lot of paint. But that happens. Oh, I just got a drip on the floor. More over here. Yeah, I got some medical things going on that I got to get taken care of, so I'll be gone for a little bit. But God willing, I'll be back. Do more, so hope everybody's going to have a good holiday this year. Okay. There we go. Pop a few bubbles. Okay, and this base is just made with my glue formula. If you go on my channel, you'll see one that says step-by-step mixing and on, and that'll tell you how I do my mixes. Pop some bubbles here. A lot. I just stirred it up too, so it hasn't had a chance to settle in yet, so we have to do a lot of this. Okay, my first color is going to be black. I'm just going to kind of go across like this. And spread it out. Okay, and then my red. I could probably just do this like this. Try it like this. My black kind of gets eaten up. I don't know why that is. And here's some purple. I don't think I'm going to get this everywhere, so I'm going to put it where I can. Gotta just play around with it, see what you're gonna get. Okay, now why would I bring in this color? It's a yellow. I don't know. But I like the color yellow for some reason. I was a scuba diver. That was the color of my scuba outfit, was a yellow. Okay. I'm going to take this black. I'm going to let it go like wherever it wants to go. Okay. Let's see if there's any more bubbles in here. Okay. Now, so does have to do it, huh? Obviously, if you watch my channel enough, you'll know what I'm going to do next. I have a blow dryer. I like it. Okay. Wow, guys. That's pretty rad. Let me get my straw. If I can find it. There it is. Let's see. There we go. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Yes. I'm not even going to mess that up even on purpose. I think I need to do more of these. I like them. Because I can't tilt this thing, and I'm not going to tilt it. Because everything is so perfect right now. So, I'm going to leave this puppy alone. I think it's gorgeous. So I'm going to go ahead and release this video right away. I'll go ahead and edit it now and put it out there. But just so you know, I'm not ditching y'all. I just have some things, personal things that have to be taken care of this week. Pray for me. I go through some cancer screenings and stuff. So let me bring you down for a close-up on this thing. I know it's going to grow some more. I know the cells will, but I hope they don't go too wacky, because I really like this lacing in here. Let me bring you in. Hold on. Look at those colors. Look at that right there. That is just amazing. The lacing, the black, the lacing right here. This right here. That is incredible. I've never seen anything like that. Look at that. Wow. I'm definitely going to do more of these. This is just turned out very, very, very good. I didn't use a green, but I got a green. Yellow and blue, I guess, make green, don't they? And then there's a blue cell. So we'll see how these cells come out. I think what I'll do, since I have time, is I will wait till this dries tomorrow and let you see what it looks like, because sometimes they don't dry just as well as they look when you're at this point right here. And yes, those paint splatters are on purpose. Okay. God bless you all, and thank you for watching. Have a great day.